Oh, hey there. What am I doing? I'm just cleaning the house. Come along if you want. Got some tips for you. Let's do this. Hey there, it's Greg again with another video. So this one's going to be a little different. What I want to do is make an actual series of videos all based around home maintenance, cleaning ideas. These are all things that people probably should be doing in their house, but more than likely aren't, because I wasn't doing them before I read into it a little better. But so we're just going to call it 25 things you should be doing. That's about it. So probably some of these will be really short videos, but I'll do them all individually just to section them off. But yeah, let's get right into it with this first one. Okay, so this first one is a very easy one. So basically you're going around anything that is a handle. I got disinfecting wipe, and I'm just going to be wiping off any germs, any bacteria, any whatever off of there. You'll want to get both sides of the handle, but that's going to be the first guy, so I'll go ahead and start doing that. And any handle you see in your house, whether it's the fridge door handle or your back door handle, bedroom handle, stove handle, all of them, we're going to go down and wipe. Okay, so that's been done. It took me, I think collectively, maybe about 7 minutes to wipe down every handle in the whole house. Now I moved into here probably about a year ago now, and I had never done anything like that. Even when we did our main cleaning, we cleaned, doors and stuff like that, but didn't really, maybe a couple of handles got wiped, but the cloth ended up, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's kind of gross actually. Just to think, you could see when you're wiping it, the stuff that's coming off of it is pretty gross. So yeah, this was number one, and we'll keep it going. So we got 24 more. I hope you like this video. Hit that like button, definitely. That helps out a lot. Leave any comments on any other things that you can think of, and they might not be on my list, so let me know if there's anything else we should be doing. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.